Welcome to Florida. It looks scary when I'm close like that.
Okay, so we are back on the road again. We left Jekyll Island, and before we get to our next stop, let's tell them what we learned about Jekyll Island. This was our first time there.
First, we learned that the water that we drink is disgusting.
So
it doesn't
gross.
even taste good.
No, so
How do
gross.
you drink that?
Anything else we learned?
We learned that the waves were not that big.
Right.
The beach was fine, but the water was brown.
Right.
Yeah.
It wasn't like crystal clear ocean water. It was kind of, you know,
No.
dirty. Well, not dirty, just brown. Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else?
There's a lot of bugs.
A lot.
There's so many.
Twice in the same spot.
Right. I'm telling you, a lot of mosquitoes at this time of year there. So so we had our 2 days at Jekyll Island, and now we are, where are we? We went to Tomoka. We don't even know how to say it.
North Dakota.
No, we're not in North Dakota.
North Dakota.
Wrong part of the country.
Daytona Beach.
Yes, just north of Daytona Beach in Ormond Beach, which we went to Tomoka. We don't know if that's how you say it, but Tomoka State Park is where we're camping. Bear aware. Florida has black bears. So when we're walking, hiking, camping, driving, we don't want to have a close encounter. This is Tomoka State Park, and this is where we're staying for the next 2 days. It's right by Ormond Beach, Florida, and it should be pretty cool. Very wooded, lots of trees, lots of wildlife. Okay, we've pulled in the camper. One thing I forgot to ask or find out when booking an RV site is, does it have sewage? I thought it was always electric water sewage was all like a package, like you didn't get one without the other. Well, this one doesn't have sewage, which is okay. We can just use the bathhouses, but we have water and electric. It's just kind of a learning curve that I didn't realize you're supposed to find out if it has sewage. Again, not that big a deal. Just going to be a little bit more rustic, but it's a really, really nice campground. Very, very wooded, very much in the woods. A lot of palm trees at the same time, but no sewage on this one. So we're just going to use the regular bathrooms. It's fine. It is storming today. It's totally raining. We just got here, so we decided to do what?
Incredibles.
Going to the movies. We're going to see Incredibles 2. So that's a really good rainy day activity. Dad is finishing up work for the day, so while he's finishing work, we are going to go see Incredibles 2.
Well, he's finishing work at Starbucks, the best place.
Yes, we dropped him at Starbucks.
I got new boogie boards.
Orange. Oh yeah, we got new boogie boards.
We're at Ormond Beach, which is just north of Daytona Beach. And we spent an hour and a half looking for boogie boards this morning because our other boogie boards were broken. So we got a little bit better ones, hoping these will last. And now we're at the beach. It's a pretty nice beach.
Let's swim.
But there's an ice cream truck that is literally haunting me and driving down the beach. Seriously? Like, I thought it was bad enough that these guys came to the neighborhood and the kids lost their mind. Not to worry, you cannot escape them. They're on the beach. And they have the same song playing so that all the kids know, oh my gosh, the ice cream man is here. I'm about to be best mom in the world. You want to get ice cream from the ice cream truck?
Yeah, but it's never really happened for us.
You never got to get ice cream from the ice cream truck before, have you? Go tell your brothers we can do it this time.
Sure, that's it. You can get ice cream. You guys want ice cream?
Do you guys want ice cream from the ice cream truck?
Yes.
You sure?
I haven't had ice cream from the ice cream truck.
Like your whole life.
Yeah,
Your whole life. All right, let's go get ice cream.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
First time they've ever been allowed to get something in an ice cream cart.
Gumbo ice, gumbo ice.
That's you, buddy.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay, what are you getting?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay.
I got Sonic.
Give her the wrapper so she'll throw it away for you.
Thank you.
Which one? First time they've ever been to a ice cream truck and actually able to get something.
Yes.
All right. What did you get?
Lemonade slushy.
Lemonade slushy.
I got Sonic.
Sonic.
I got a
Snow cone with a gumball at the bottom. All right, fantastic. Is it good? All right, let's go. All right, he thinks he's been stung by a jellyfish. We've never had a jellyfish. I've never had a jellyfish sting, so we don't really know what to look for. Let's see your hand. He said it is, we don't see any stings or welts.
but it burns.
It burns really, really bad. Show me where on your hand. You're showing me different fingers. Right there.
And then it's stinging up here now too.
You think your whole hand was bit?
Yeah, because
Let's
I
see.
was doing this. I was doing this. So I was on my board like this.
Okay.
My board here, and I was doing this.
Okay. And then you saw a jellyfish and it hit your hand.
Yes.
Okay, so let me see it.
It stung.
Oh yeah, there is a little, I think, on right there. You see, guys? Right there. Unless it was a fish bite. Did you see what it was, though? I see little welts.
I saw what it was.
What did it look like?
That's because when I hit it, it felt super. It felt like gushy.
Ew. And now it burns.
The guy had vinegar.
He had vinegar? Just for that reason? Oh yeah, you smell like vinegar. Did it stop stinging? So you went to the lifeguard and you asked him what happens if you get stung by a jellyfish. And what did he say?
You just pour vinegar on it.
Pour vinegar on it. And you said I don't have vinegar. What did he say?
No, I didn't say I don't have vinegar. He's like, did you get stung? I'm like, yes. And he's like, here, pour some vinegar all over your hand.
And now it feels better?
Kinda.
It shouldn't have done that. Huh?
We had a little mishap.
It shouldn't have done that.
For the first time, so we're just dumping the waste because we're at a state park where they didn't have a sewer, so you just had one sewer and we had to dump it. And he took the cap off of the black water, and even though the valves were closed, maybe they were a little open, we don't know. What happened?
I should have splashed this right on you. Oh, you
It
can't swear,
splashed
Penny.
all over.
It splashed on the ground and hit me.
Yeah, it splashed on the ground. It was like right out of the movie RV.
Oh, dude, that is nasty.
Except it wasn't that explosive. Except
now I
now
gotta go back
he
and
has to go
shower.
shower because it
I
got
can't ride for
on his
2
leg,
hours.
and he kind of
Poop.
smells like outhouse. And so it was not good. It hasn't been a good morning because first of all, he dropped his brand new coffee press that we got at Starbucks for him for Father's Day, and it broke. So he's sad about that, and now he just got splashed with poop. So, the life of an RVer, I guess.
Yeah, this thing's being sold when we get home.
He had to take his shirt off because it splashed his shirt too. Okay, after the sewage mishap, do you feel better now that you showered?
I feel better.
What
I feel like I can
happened?
still smell it, but yeah, I feel
Yeah,
better.
it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. He got some sewage on his shoes, or his feet, his
Not on my
legs.
feet, not on my shoes.
No, just on your legs.
Yeah.
But it was gross. But anyway, we have left, where were we? Tomoka State Park, which is Ormond Beach. We have left. We are on our way where? Disney! That's right. We are going
Disney.
to...
Disney.
We are going to Fort Wilderness. Yes, we have our Mickey Mouse stuff on. Well, we have Packers. But we are on our way to Fort Wilderness. That is where we're staying next. We're really excited about it because we are going to visit the parks. So we are going to go set up at Fort Wilderness. It's about an hour-and-a-half drive. And then we are going to, depending on the weather, head to the parks and explore.
We will see you at the park.
It's supposed to rain at 12, and I do not want that to happen.
I really wish I had coffee.
Fort Wilderness,
Gracie
guys.
wishes she had coffee.
He wishes he had coffee. Remember, he broke his coffee thing before he actually made the coffee, and that's yeah. So we'll have to find some coffee.